weather on NBC10 Boston, Boston's most accurate forecast.
All right, everyone, it is 11:18 this morning. Pamela is back with us. Pamela, it is dry out there. It is windy. You've been following these conditions that are helping to propel these brush fires. What's the latest over there?
Yeah, it's historic, actually, Colton, as we continue to have lots of brush fires breaking out across the Commonwealth, all across southern New England, and yet another day where we have a red flag warning and high brush fire danger. Windy days like today will fan the fires, and it can spread very quickly. Air quality depends on the wind. If you're downwind, for example, the wind direction right now, west-southwest, so if you're downwind of that, you could smell the smoke, and it will affect your breathing, too. Stays dry for now. Rain possible on Monday. Not enough to completely get rid of the fire weather danger, but it will help. I'll show you that in just a minute. Any fire that develops can and will spread very quickly. It'll catch, too. So the winds are right now from the south and west, and throughout the rest of today, they're more westerly. As we peak the gusts up to 20 to 35 miles per hour in some spots. We still see some strong winds overnight tonight, even more so from the northwest now. There is a cold front moving through. It's not going to help to give us any rain, but it will switch around our wind direction, and it does help to lower our temperatures as we go into the weekend. In fact, today is cooler compared to yesterday. We're 60 degrees. Still nice and warm, though, because of that west-southwest downsloping wind and the very dry air in place. And so it is a comfortable day aside from the wind that stays very strong. Eventually, that wind carries in low temps in the 30s and 40s with areas of patchy frost, especially blocked from the wind. The wind continues to stay pretty strong as we go into Saturday. So my pick of the weekend, if I have to go with the day, I prefer sunshine. So I'm going to pick Saturday, but Sunday's not bad either. Saturday's windier. Sunday's going to be less wind with more clouds and very cold temps in the morning, even more so than Saturday morning. So some frosty starts to your days here this weekend and colder temperatures both afternoons. As I mentioned, there is that cold front moving through. Up in the mountains, ski areas, there may actually be some light snow falling and light accumulation expected, maybe some scattered coatings on top of those mountain peaks. As we head into Saturday, it's dry, but it is breezy with that northwest wind. High pressure takes over, keeps us dry, keeps away any rain until we go into Sunday. Sunday late day, mainly nighttime, is when we see these scattered showers and a couple downpours expected too. We get a southwest wind, and Monday morning, Veterans Day, does start off rather rainy. Monday afternoon already drying off with another secondary chance for some showers across northern New England, but otherwise Boston will stay dry. How much rain are we talking? Quarter inch. But look, this is something that's changed since yesterday. Half an inch across the south coast. What's going on is we have Rafael across the Gulf of Mexico. There is a little hint in the atmosphere way up high in the sky that some of that water vapor may get transported our way, and this could help to enhance some of our rainfall. So that's why you're starting to see, and we're starting to see, half an inch possible. Hopefully we get it. We need it. Morning rain on Monday for Veterans Day, and then we go into next week with, yes, 50s and a little cool down. Another chance for rain, Colton, though, late next week.
All right, everyone. Hey, heads up. You can put Pamela in your pockets and get her forecast on the go, everyone, with our NBC10 Boston app. You can check out the new design in the upgraded categories. It just makes it easier for you to get your forecast. It's free, and it's available to download in the App Store, wherever you get your apps.